tonight's episode of How Did He Get Those Grom Wheels on That Razor? I'll show you how. With tubing. So we make all of our own arms, of course, you know, so it's not a big deal. We have decided to try something a little bit bigger. One of our previous customers brought over the MWM arm. Shout out to Bill. It's a 165 with a 12-inch dirt bike wheel. It's not bad. But when you consider trying to go with something bigger than that, that's when it gets real serious. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's the difference. That's the front wheel. That's the back wheel. So these two guys are what I have to do this with. And it shouldn't be too difficult for me. The only difference is I may need to kick it out just a little bit more. See what I mean? Like it needs to come out just a little bit longer, so that's fine. We can do that. It's a bigger tire, so of course it's going to want to stick out further, right? So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll use our own mounts. And I bought some new beam because these just aren't long enough. Customer wants us to do these cups, so we're going to go ahead and do some cups. This is our adapter for the Grom wheels so that we can put on 35 chain or whatever chain you want, 2-piece sprockets. That'll be our little fun bit. I already changed out the adapter and we got some extra stuff. I've got some floating brakes, got a floating caliper. We'll go ahead and use that. It should be fun.
Go 1 inch forward about, and that is, and you go 1 inch forward till he's touching.
So,
Needs to be an inch longer at least.
no matter what, because there's no room for the chain tensioner. So, you're already maxed out, Tim, and you're still super duper loose. So, no matter what, you need another inch. No matter what, you need another inch. And since we're going to go to a bigger wheel, you need another inch. So we're going to go 2 inches longer than this. I don't know what this is, a 5-inch. So we're going to go to a 7-inch stretch probably.
24-inch arm.
So we need to go to 26, which is what I cut. So yeah, we're going to do 26 is our total length. And that'll guarantee that you have an whole inch in between the wheel and the motor. And you'll be able to get back your chain tensioning because that's not enough. It's a good arm, just not for the overkill we're about to do, huh?
Up here.
This says 7.
Looks like a little under 7.
Yeah, 6 and 7/8, possibly. And then you can see me squeezing it down right here to get it down.
Okay.
So you just got to get that to match. Yep, I have plenty of earplugs for you.
And also, I can't feel anything either. Did I mention that? But that's not as catchy as having ants in your eyes, so that always goes, you know, off by the wayside. I can't feel. I can't feel. It's a very rare disease.
All right, so we forgot to put these cups on.
They don't allow.
Do you still want us to go ahead and cut this out and then put these cups in? Or are you okay with this?
They don't allow for the sensation of touch.
Okay.
I never know what's going on. Am I standing, sitting? I don't On the
All
bike.
right.
Standing. Sitting.
Tack up here. Tack
I
over
don't
here, I
know.
guess.
Two brothers.
Hair away from me with your porosity glove.
1, 2, and 3. Me and my porosity having self?
Not a fan.
I'm not a fan.
No, leave it on. I already had it. Boy, you are fucking up everything.
Everything. Ooh, and it still came off the table. That must mean it works. What we're doing is we're making you a sliding brake adapter like this. Ooh, I'll take it. CJ and I found a boat, a fishing boat. Oh, there it goes. Heck yeah.
Take this rod out first.
Oh my god, you gotta wiggle it. There you go.
Oh, it's super tight.
Oh wow, it really is a fishing boat of some type, huh? Like at least one of us knows what we're doing.
I got it all glued.
Silicone, yeah, I see that. Oh wow.
Does it have a wire nut in?
That's a water-cooled brush motor. XT60. That's a brush motor.
It's a brush motor.
Yeah.
It's got water cooling. It looks like it's been under for not too long, but for a minute.
Yeah, long enough to no longer function. All right, throw that little fella back in the water so it can live. Somebody on the internet's going to tell me, that's not legal, that's too short. That's a racing fishing boat. Parks and Wildlife's going to want 3 permits for that.